Oh, एक second.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Shivangi and I welcome you all on the behalf of my whole team in our presentation. Thank you so much, Sai, for giving us this opportunity. Our project name is Cloning of and we are 6 members in our team, and their names are Zaki, Rahul, Paritosh, Shanyan, Mayur, and myself. So you might have heard about this website, Ubioric. Ubioric website is a complete online shop for best quality clothes, footwear, bathroom accessories, and kitchenware in India. We have more categories too, but that you will see further in our presentation. And the next, let me aware you with the flow of our presentation. So we'll talk about the landing page and then what are the different categories we have, and then how to book a order, and lastly the checkout part. So this was the brief introduction about our website and about the presentation flow. So now my part is done, and from here Saki will continue. Saki, over to you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Shivangi. Hello everyone. My name is Ahmed Zaki. So this is our landing page of our website. So there are search bar, and this is our website's logo, and this is the navbar. In navbar, we give the home categories, customer login, merchant, bulk order, and become a seller part. So Mayur, can you scroll down a little bit?
Yes.
So here we have different categories of the products like footwear, and further scroll down, please, Mayur. Footwear and kitchen accessories, and and spices, like other things. So these all are in our website is added, and we have given a functionality of hover effect to this different divs, and in last we give the footer part and customer review, uh, and these are the facilities we are providing, like user friendly. Our website is user friendly, and so a little bit up. Mayur can go a little bit up. So this this is the facilities we are providing: user friendly and safe and secure shopping, check our closely multiple payment option and order history. So further parts will explain by Mayur. Over to you, Mayur.
Actually, the further part is about login and sign up. As a If you have account on our website, then it gets really easy to log in, and our address are already saved, payment methods are already saved, so, and mobile number, email address, all our details are already saved. So we don't have to waste our time again and again in registering us. So it makes easy to order fast and quick. We have designed this page. If you have already have an account, you can log in through this, or if you don't have any account, you can simply register through this section. Here we have to input our username or email address. It can be set by the user according to his will, and the password must be 8 characters, and all the numbers should be included numerics and special characters. So this is our main login and registration page, and further will be continued by Paritosh. Thank you. Over to you, Paritosh.
Open the product page, Mayur.
Okay.
So it is our product page. You can show a very clear image about the all the products here. You can cursor about the Mayur. You can cursor about any of the first product.
Yes.
You can show a minimum of the varieties of images here for a particular product, so it gives a clear image for the customer, so that how particular looks like in every aspect. And a left side, you can also set it there is a sorting option is there. So if a customer want to choose for a particular price range in a particular price product, so by this price price range, a customer can buy the particular shoes. And a second sorting option, there is a product category. So there is you can sorting out the party shoes and the loafers. So it's a very helpful for the customers to buy a particular variety of the shoes. Or you can also sorting out by the size. There is a 6, 8, and 9 varieties of option is available in the website, and sorting out according to the colors. There is a black and brown varieties of the product is available in this website. Also, you can buy closures if you want to lace up shoes or slip on shoes. You can buy this through your website. If you click on the clear button, it gives to whole website, all products. Or you go to the particular product, first product, you can select option. Mayur,
Yes.
go to the select option.
This.
In a cursor to the select option for Rahul.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you, Pratyush. Yeah, so myself Rahul Lodhi. So in this page, when you go to this particular page, if you like any particular product, so when you go to this page and when you move the cursor of particular image, so this will be zoom in and zoom out. You can see all of the images by side how this look and how this specialty and design is created by the designer. And when you click on this size box, so you have different size of option to choose which size you want. And when you want to, yeah, so when you want to give some your card quantity 1, 2, 3, when you select in the arrow 1, 2, 3, it reflect by in the card box. And when you scroll down, yeah, little bit scroll down, yeah. When you scroll down, you can see, yeah, size chart. If you don't know how size you fit in your food, so you can directly see how size matter different US, UK, different countries. Yeah, so when you click buy now, yeah, scroll down. You Yeah, so when you click buy now option, it will directly move you to this checkout page. Yeah, so further part will explain by Mayur.
Okay, so this is the checkout part, final part of payment. So here we have given some guest checkout type system. If you don't have account, don't no worries. You can directly check out by just filling your first name, last name, and some your details, country name. You can just do that. I will show you a demo. I'm just gonna type a random text. Address. You can enter your town and city, and we have given a drop down menu from which you can select your state, and you can add your postal code, your phone number, and then you have to add an extra alternate phone number. Suppose in case your main number is not working, then you can add an email address. And here is a note. You can add anything about the product you want to say. As if you want a gift wrap, you can add it here. We will send it as a gift. And then you have to select your payment method. There are various types of method we have mentioned: cash on delivery, CC Avenue, pay with Paytm, and Razor Pay. You can also pay by cash on delivery. After selecting a payment method, you can simply click on place order. Your order will be placed. But if you have not filled each and every box, means that is starred in a remark red, you can't proceed. Suppose if I am not filling this, then I can't proceed to further. You have to mention your email address. Now I am mentioning my email and then selecting payment method as cash on delivery, and then I can place my order. So this is how our website works. And thank you for giving us the opportunity to explain ourselves, and thanks to Masai for everything. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Should I stop the meeting?
Yes.
Okay.